Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna bag the Stang. Got this kit for 200 bucks from a friend locally. Super cheap, no management, but I bought the management brand new. 1/4 inch line. We're gonna just get straight to it, take off the wheels, front, rear, jack stands, and then we're gonna go ahead and swap the struts out. This one is just the bag and then the shock, and I'll use the OEM hardware and the mounts. Gonna try to do this within maybe 4 hours. Maybe not the electrical today, but just getting the struts in. So we got one in here, and these were used and they're already slotted for camber, and I'm just gonna max it just for fun. It was easy, other than the calipers being on super tight, and I actually have to order the Airlift shortened sway bar end links because it won't fit with the stock ones. They're too long. We're started on this side already. Second one out. So we're just gonna put the next one in, and we have the top camber adjustment almost to max, because if we go further than that, we would have to trim here, and I'm not down to cut this car yet. I don't know. So we're gonna finish that, and then we're gonna start on the rears. We're actually making decent time for like not rushing, but see how far it goes. Yo, it's been like 3-4 days, but we're on the home stretch. Biggest problem right now is my Bostons will not fit the fronts because they're not they're just touching the bag. So what I would have to do is take off camber, and I'm not taking the caliper off because I already ran into problems with that one. But over here, I'm just gonna reveal the new wheels. These are 20x10 Works Varianza. Yeah. I got these for 500 bucks. 3 tires good, one is not. But this is how the rear fits. 20x11s, so obviously I'm gonna have to camber it out. But in the meantime, I am gonna be putting on the rears for these 275s, 20x10 half plus 25s. So I'm gonna put the rears on for here and then leave the Works on the front. Jeez, look at that camber. Personally, I do not know if I'm gonna keep this camber because your boy can't be paying for tires all the time. But yeah, home stretch, like I said, we're gonna be putting on the other work on the front and then take off these ones in the rear, put the Vossens in the rear, drop it down and let the bags calibrate, and then see how she fits. Damn, we got it calibrating right now. Bags are in, set. Unfortunately, I couldn't do it all Vossens all around and hide the work wheels for a reveal, but we actually might be trading the Vossens for a different set tomorrow, hopefully. With it aired out, it is literally fender to lip, perfect fitment. So makes me want to keep it because those are 275s in the rear and it's perfect. But $500 work wheels, what do you think? Ruined? Sick? Too much camber? Not enough? Let me know. I'm gonna let it calibrate and maybe take it to the middle of the street. Take a picture maybe right there. So if you saw the title of the video, it says broken. I am not kidding, it is broken. The third gear is shattered. Raced another S550 on the freeway almost 2 years ago, if not 2 years ago, and it's shattered. Straight to third, nothing. Just revved out. Drove it home, started knocking on the trans. Ready! 1, 2, 3! It's all good though, because we got a stage 2 Ben Kellemer trans right there. Boom. Rated for 800, and this thing is not even making, not even 5, I'd say. Sheesh. Damn, I can't wait to drive this again after 2 years. But yeah, I'll I'll try to bring it to the road and see if I can take a picture or something. Damn, here we are. So I also have to get an adjustable sway bar and link because the sway bar is not connected right now. Air it out. This side is not even because there's like a dip in the middle of the road. But this is what it would look like right here. Sheesh. Dang. Juicy. But yep, that's it for this video, guys. Hopefully I trade the wheels. Hopefully I don't trade the wheels. We'll find out. Gonna end it here. Don't want it to be too long. Thanks for watching. Shooters.